Into what looks like a Luton route, but it's actually known as a half Cuban. All the way down, watch as he hits the while the trailing aircraft flies around the formation. There we go, passing really closely with them, just behind. Imagine the view inside that cockpit. Easing on the control column at the top there to make sure we get a nice round loop instead of an egg shape. And keep the aircraft straight to the rudder.
Big brake, go.
All the way down. Followed now by a breakout on the 40.
Go, go.
Okay, we now pull up.
Rolling left now. 5-6 visual.
You can just imagine there, you see that's one leaf of a 4-leaf clover.
One visual, one only.
Nice right.
One visual, babe.
Airspeed falls almost to zero as they hit the apex.
Go.
Back
off, go.
Another winter, very parties with the Spain.
Go. 2, 3. One visual, 4 and 5. Visual 1. Back.
They're in line astern, so each aircraft behind the other.
Definitely fully. Go. 2.
There they go, each aircraft performing a loop and losing sight of the others in the formation. How can somebody these displays 2 years of experience? But that is what his 22,000 hours of flying work out for if you do the maths. Now all 6 aircraft all back together, look to your left as they
Smoke on, go.
slow speed, the smoke. A good one for the cameras, here we are. You have seen this sort of manoeuvre in any of those wartime films of the fighters diving down onto the enemy. Swansea.
Easing up. And brake, go.
Fires Linens. And there we go. Beautiful picture.
Back off, go.
Is a Grop 115B shooter, operated in partnership with. You can see that Andy positioned the shooter at 45 degrees there to display the iconic Royal Air Force roundel painted to the underside of the shooter. The roundel finds its origins from the age of 13 and to experience these aerobatic manoeuvres.
You should not concentrate though in doing it.
So that barrel roll positioned Andy back on the ground line. He's now going to perform a sequence of rolling manoeuvres that I will let you enjoy. Air Force, University Air Squadrons, experience of Outpost 4G, but now in from the left, at low level and high speed, the RAF Typhoon. High-speed run to perform the same maneuvers. Now line has slowed right down as it comes in high alpha pass. That's at low speed with the change of the aircraft right about 15 degrees to win at a high angle of attack. The computer's working overtime to stop the aircraft from falling out of the sky as it comes almost to a stop, so it appears. And at the end of the run, you'll open up the throttle. So easy. This is the end of the war, both countries had a lieutenant commander for the Royal Navy. He became the first man in space in 1961. There, penetrating flying this aircraft. There's your first photo opportunity with 187 working with one of those lifeboats. The aircraft travels regularly with both all-weather and inshore lifeboats, RNAS and independent. Also with our colleagues up in mountain rescue. Coastal rescue teams such as ours. St John ambulance in the area, clearing their way to the front of the display caravan. St John ambulance to the front of the display. Normally operational with a crew of 7. And that, as I'm sure you're aware, is the lifeboat that lives at the end of Mungall's Pier, a brand new lifeboat station opened a year, 18 months or so ago. All funded by charity, of course, the RNAS. Say thank you to everybody and to conclude this display. You can imagine the kind of communications going on between the operator in the doorway and the pilot. Now the crewman delivered pitch perfect to the area, the stern of the aircraft, the stern of the lifeboat, excuse me, and also at the stern is what the crew refer to as the garage, because under the feet of where you see the crew standing at the stern of the lifeboat, there is actually a small inflatable craft that can be deployed into inland waters. So for example, on a cliff rescue, the all-weather lifeboat can get close and then deploy the inflatable at the rear, which comes down a small ramp, and then they can conclude the rescue using that. So the winchman then, recovered to the aircraft. Rolling on the 45-degree line there, straight up to the top. There, that can display
approaches by the way the wind is blowing it from right to left there. Questions and get photos. We'll go to the army stand. Happy will sit afterwards and watch our package display.
Oh, you're right.
Okay, Vegas, roger.
And they're just closing up the door. And that's where it's good. And it hurts a bit. There will probably following him in, preparing to drop his flag. So now Leon's setting up for his landing pad. This is where he's supposed to win, he knows what he's doing, he's done it, and now he's setting up. First, I get a massive applause for the jumpers as they land. That's why we do it. Now getting ready for his landing pad. And if you look above him, you'll see the crew group. His guys now cross together, they climb down each other's lines and form something called driver side. This is where two men flying the TSA Consortium flag.
Ready! Toggle out!
So now they're going to fly that until they get to a safe breakaway height, which is all down to our Corporal Frank Miller. Complete command over everything that's happening in the sky. Here comes Team Leader Frank Miller on the UK campaign. And it's a cross cut. Brilliant landing. Here comes Chris. Compared to the speed it cheer us up. We took off in less than 100 metres and he touched down probably about 10 metres. Very, just coming over the headland, you can see the one and only airworthy Bristol Blenheim Mark 1. And this particular aircraft fought throughout the Battle of Britain in 1940 as a night fighter. Successful 26 minutes test flight. Coming in on the nose path, simulating the sun similar pair coming in. So Kennett in the two-seater trainer, leading the single-seat SB-52. You see the difference in sizes there between the large and two-seat low, his leader. Two-seat trainer, which is leading the formation. Oh, I thought we were done, but he's come back for more. There we go.
Bristol copy, I'm now breaking off towards St Athens and staying at the cloud base. Roger. What is?
Moving to right, 6 and 7 tucking in behind. Leading the formation is Red One, squadron leader David Montenegro. It's his third and final year as the team leader. He's a former hot flying instructor and Tornado F3 air defense pilot. The Red Arrows in 2009, leaving in 2011. His partner Angie, their boys Rafael and Manuel, his sister-in-law Beth. They got married yesterday in Oxwich Bay, just down the road. Congratulations. Pitching up with the first leg. Entering a cruising tower, it takes a moment, it's very hard now. Weeks as red 9 as they tuck it behind. Now you'll see reds 2, 3, 4 and 5 drop to the very back of the formation as reds 8 and 9 nestle in behind 2 and 3 as they form the shape of that fabulous feat of British aviation excellence. So they're continuing this left-hand turn. We're about to see the smokes come on. Get your cameras ready. This is Concorde. in line astern. Each of the pilots there in the revolution side as they roll back. You've been watching the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team. Here's the Spitfire, classic being stage whips forward. During the Korean War, Flight Lieutenant flying as we have 4 children. Age is 24 years old. Representing a Mark IIC fighter bomber from number 34 Squadron Southeast Asia Command during 1944, the personal aircraft of Canadian pilot